ever felt like money's a puzzle you just can't solve? Like there are secret rules only the wealthy know? Today, we're cracking the code with 3 powerful lessons from Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or following the latest trends. It's about understanding the mindset behind wealth. We'll dive into the often overlooked psychological factors that drive financial success, not just the technicalities of investing. Lesson 1. Success isn't just about skills, it's about mindset. We're bombarded with stories of overnight millionaires and self-made billionaires. It's easy to think that wealth is solely a result of intelligence or talent. But Housel challenges this notion. He argues that financial success is equally about understanding the nuances of luck, risk, and the concept of enough. Let's take a look at the inspiring story of David Bach, a self-made millionaire and best-selling author. Early in his career, David took a leap of faith, leaving a secure job to start his own financial planning firm. No clients, no office, just a vision and a willingness to embrace the unknown. It was a risk, but David believed in himself and his ability to create value. And his gamble paid off. His firm flourished, and he became a renowned author, sharing his financial wisdom with the world. David's story exemplifies the importance of calculated risks. It's not about being reckless, but about seizing opportunities and having the courage to step outside your comfort zone. However, Housel also cautions against the dangers of unchecked ambition. He tells the tale of John Paul DeJoria, the co-founder of Paul Mitchell and Patron Tequila. Despite achieving massive success, DeJoria became consumed by the pursuit of more. He took on excessive debt and overextended himself, ultimately leading to financial ruin. This serves as a powerful reminder that knowing when enough is crucial. It's about finding contentment and balance, not chasing an endless cycle of accumulation. Financial success isn't just about making money, it's about managing your mindset, understanding your limits, and appreciating what you have. Lesson 2. Paying the price is non-negotiable. Building wealth requires sacrifice. It's about delaying gratification for a bigger payoff later. Think of Warren Buffett, one of the world's wealthiest individuals. Despite his immense fortune, he lives a remarkably simple life. He resides in the same modest home he purchased decades ago, drives an unassuming car, and enjoys simple pleasures like McDonald's breakfasts. Why? Because Buffett understands the value of frugality and long-term thinking. He's not sacrificing happiness, he's prioritizing financial security and freedom. It's about making conscious choices today that will benefit you tomorrow. It's about investing in your future, not just indulging in the present. Housel also stresses the importance of investing early in life. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. The same principle applies to your investments. And during times of inflation, passive investing can be your secret weapon. Instead of trying to time the market or chase the latest hot stuff, consider investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs. These provide broad market exposure and minimize risk, allowing your investments to grow steadily over time. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to make sacrifices. But the rewards are immeasurable: financial independence, the ability to pursue your passions, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're prepared for the future. Lesson 3. Getting rich versus staying rich. It takes risk and optimism to get rich, but it takes caution and realism to stay rich. The thrill of the chase, the excitement of potential gains, these can fuel the journey to wealth. But once you've achieved a certain level of financial success, the game changes. Ike Batista, a Brazilian entrepreneur, once one of the world's richest, is a cautionary tale. He built a vast empire on risky bets and bold predictions. But when those bets didn't pay off, his fortune crumbled. The lesson? Even the wealthiest can make mistakes. Staying rich requires a shift in mindset. It's about protecting what you've built, making informed decisions, and avoiding unnecessary risks. It's about acknowledging that the market can be unpredictable and that even the best laid plans can go awry. Housel also points out that what's considered crazy in finance is subjective. One person's risky investment might be another's calculated move. It's essential to understand your own risk tolerance and financial goals before making any decisions. However, some choices are universally risky, like taking on excessive debt or failing to diversify your investments. The 2008 financial crisis is a stark reminder of the consequences of unchecked risk-taking. Many people lost everything due to over-leveraged investments and a lack of diversification. The takeaway? Be cautious, be realistic, and always have a plan B. By adopting a balanced and measured approach to your finances, you can protect yourself from the worst-case scenarios and ensure long-term financial security. So, there you have it. 3 powerful lessons from The Psychology of Money. It's not just about numbers, it's about understanding the human element of finance. Embrace these lessons, and you'll be well on your way to building and maintaining lasting wealth. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the ride. Need to keep your screen looking busy? Sign up for our free email newsletter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notifications for more money mindset makeover content.